Barracuda is a dangerous predator. The habitat of this animal is in the warm waters of oceans and seas of the tropical and subtropical regions. This terrible creature does not live only in the Arctic Ocean. An adult species likes to be on the surface of the water in the open sea. Smaller representatives of the species prefer quiet and muddy backwaters on the coast or in shallow water. Barracuda settle in places where you can hide or lurk during the hunt. Hiding places can be coral reefs, small caves in the rocks, and thickets of algae. According to the description, the barracuda has a head and body shape resembling a torpedo. The intimidating appearance is given by the lower jaw, which protrudes forward. There is a row of small sharp teeth on the outside and large fangs stick out inside. The large and broad tail helps to move very quickly in the water. There are 2 fins on the back of this fish, separated from each other. The cycloid scales on the carcass can be colored in silvery, green, gray, and blue hues. There are faintly visible stripes on the sides. The belly of the water monster is always much lighter than the color on the back. Interesting and frightening facts about this sea animal. This fish lives in the warm waters of the subtropics and tropics, in the 3 oceans. You will not find it only in the Arctic. It stays near the surface, does not swim to depth, and can live both in the open sea and off the coast in shallow water. Larger species live mainly in the open sea, but the smaller ones prefer quieter and muddy water. They like a lot of places with lots of shelters, rocks, reefs, and brushwood because they can hide during the hunt. Therefore, they are especially often found in shallow bays teeming with prey. 8 species can be found in the Red Sea. They are also common in the Mediterranean Sea, but not so wide, and there are fewer species in this sea, only 4, and half of them came from the Red Sea after they began to communicate. Also, this fish likes the Caribbean Sea, because there is a lot of wildlife and scatterings of islands, and hence a lot of rugged shallows nearby, and this is a real paradise for barracuda. They are also found off the Russian coast in the Sea of Japan. This is a very voracious fish, and every day it needs several kilos of food, so it is almost constantly busy hunting. Barracuda can hunt alone, waiting for prey in an ambush, lurking in rocks or thickets, or groups. In the second case, they attack schools of fish, attacking from all sides, creating panic, in which some fish get caught in the teeth of hunters. Smaller fish hunt in packs, the largest prefer a single hunt. Able to pursue the victim for a long time. Barracudas do not avoid the attention of their smaller counterparts, in the first place only the younger ones. The predator can catch them and eat them too if they lose vigilance, and therefore a single barracuda hunted should often be careful to ensure that another does not attack her. And there is a danger in the flock. If a barracuda gets wounded during the hunt and weakens, tribesmen can also tear it up and eat it. In terms of bloodiness and ruthlessness, they are comparable to sharks and do not have the same formidable reputation only because of their smaller size.